Hi, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are going to take a look at the Drunk Elephant Shaba Complex Eye Serum. I'm going to do a very deep dive with you into the ingredients, and we're going to find out what goes into this product that really makes it warrant all the hype and the $60 price tag. These products are not cheap. I've had a lot of requests in the past few months to review the Drunk Elephant skincare line, and to be honest, I've been a bit hesitant to do so because of the price tags on these products, but I figured why not give it a chance. I'm 36 years old, and really the emerging fine lines, the wrinkles, the hyperpigmentation, all of these things are starting to become more pronounced. So I will do whatever it takes, and I will try out whatever I can to keep me looking as youthful as possible. Before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and you hit that notification bell, because then you'll know whenever I release a new video. Also, I recently changed my Instagram name from @thebeautymajlis, which is, Majlis is an Arabic word for special room. So it was my special little beauty room on Instagram, but I've changed it to laurenoconnell.beautytv. So please follow me over there on Instagram and say hello. I like to share not only my beauty videos, beauty finds, and some fashion here and there, but I do share a little bit more of my personal life. And it's always fun to know when people from YouTube are then linking up with me on Instagram. To start off, the packaging of this product is absolutely beautiful. It just gives you a really natural type of vibe. It's a thick paper, almost like a light cardboard, and inside is the bottle. So this bottle is super cool because it has this kind of this just funky way of opening. You twist it and the top of it, the dispenser, pops right out. But who cares about packaging? Because we really want to know what's inside of it, what is it going to do for us, and how young is this going to make me look. So here on the side of the packaging, you can see the long list of ingredients. I'm not going to go over every single one, but I have picked out a bunch that I think are really important for you to know in this product. And with that being said, there is nothing in this product that I found that is chemically is bad for the skin. There's no bad alcohols, nothing that's fragrance, nothing that's going to dry you out. All of the ingredients are really beneficial to the skin. So that already I was impressed by, because I cannot tell you how many skincare products I have found that contain things that are horrible for the skin. I do have some notes, and that's because a lot of these products are also new for me. So I'm learning along with you guys, but I really want to give you the best information in the most concise way as possible. So excuse me if you just see me looking down and reviewing my notes over again. I have been working really hard on this video, and I've spent a lot of hours really understanding what goes into this product and why it's supposed to work. So the first product I want to review is the Black Tea Ferment, and this is also with the and excuse me if I mispronounce these, I'm really sorry, but I'm trying my best here. This is with the Saccharomyces and Xylinum. Now, fermentation is a process from Asia. You take food, you put it in salt water, and you let it soak there, and good bacteria starts to grow. When that happens, the bacteria creates lactic acid, which is an alpha hydroxy acid, which is great for exfoliating the skin. It also produces vitamins, omega-3 fatty acids, enzymes, and the thought process was, why don't we take what we're doing with the food that we're ingesting and apply the same process to skincare? When you put a fermented product in skincare, what that's going to do is take all the other ingredients in the skincare, break it down into smaller components, and they are going to be able to penetrate more deeply into the skin. So that's why this ingredient is in here. When these ingredients become smaller and they penetrate deeper into the skin, the product itself is more effective. The black tea ferment is a natural preservative, so it's going to help keep your product fresh for as long as possible without any nasty chemicals. The next big ingredient is the peptides. And actually, Drunk Elephant even put copper peptides on the front of their packaging because they really wanted to highlight the importance of the peptides in this product. And peptides are amino acids. They're the building blocks to our bodies, and they really rejuvenate the skin. When you apply a product with peptides to your skin, you're actually tricking your skin, because then your skin thinks, oh, there's peptides here, there must be some sort of skin damage. Let's boost up the production of collagen and elastin to help repair the skin. And more collagen means a more youthful looking skin. My daughter is full of collagen. She's 10 years old, and as we get older, our collagen production naturally slows down. So this is a great way to trick your skin into really producing more collagen. The first peptide I want to mention in this product is the copper Tripeptide One. And what this peptide does is it increases the natural production of the enzyme superoxide dismutase. That's a mouthful. And basically, this is the most powerful antioxidant we have, and it's going to break down the harmful oxygen molecules in our cells. So when that happens, it helps to prevent wrinkles, fine lines, skin cancer, age spots, and it also softens scar tissue and helps with wound healing. And the other type of copper peptide is copper lysinate, and that increases the skin's ability to produce collagen and elastin. So when you put these peptides onto your face, your body is getting signals to really get rid of all of that UV damage that you may already have, the age spots, the fine lines, the wrinkles, and it's saying to your body, come on, create some more collagen and elastin, and let's really make the skin young and healthy. There are other peptides in this product I want to mention as well. The first one is the dipeptide 2, and that increases your lymphatic circulation. So that's sort of like the big, imagine it as a big river in your body that's just constantly moving. This is going to increase the current, the flow, and because it's doing that, it's going to depuff and kind of get rid of those bags that you may have underneath your eyes. The other two, one of them is called Palmitoyl Tripeptide One. I'm sorry if I mispronounced that. And that is going to really strengthen your skin. And what that does is it stimulates a process in the body called fibrillogenesis. And that is a small component of collagen, and it's really going to help to strengthen it and to keep it strong and growing, to keep that collagen nice and just beautiful, healthy, supple, plump. When that happens, what you're going to see is that wrinkles or fine lines you already have, it's going to reduce the depth of them and the intensity of them. So you'll notice that reduction in fine lines, and that's from the Palmitoyl Tripeptide 1. The last peptide I want to mention is the Palmitoyl Tetrapeptide 7. They could seriously make these names shorter. This is ridiculous. But this suppresses the production of interleukins, and that triggers an inflammatory response. So when that happens, your tissue is going to get more stiff, and it's going to actually make your skin look worse. It's going to look really saggy and uneven. So the Palmitoyl Tetrapeptide 7 is going to stop the process of the interleukins going in and creating inflammatory responses in your skin. There are a few more ingredients I think you should know, and I want to tell you about these because you may also find these in other skincare products you're interested in. By all means, please feel free to screenshot and use the charts I'm putting up to help you with your research. But if you do, please just keep my little copyright with my name there, because I did spend a lot of time making these, and I am a mom of two, so my free time is quite limited. So the other notable ingredients I want to mention is the boron nitride. You can find this ingredient in a lot of those highlighter type of powders, and that's because it has light scattering properties. It's also a lubricant, so it has a bit of a moisturizing ability to it as well. And this is a skin blur. This is going to help blur the appearance of your fine lines, your wrinkles, and it's going to make your skin look very smooth. The next ingredient I want to mention is the coconut alkanes, and that's usually combined, and in this product it is, with the Coco-Caprylate or caprate. And this is derived from coconut oil, and this ingredient is going to basically fill in the gaps between your skin cells, and that's going to give you a very smooth appearance. I hope you're still with me. We have 3 ingredients left. The next one is niacinamide. You've probably heard of this ingredient quite a bit lately. It seems to be one of those hot ingredients of the moment. It's a form of vitamin B3, and this is one of those ingredients that kind of does it all. So it is anti-inflammatory, it regulates oil, so it's great if you're somebody that has acne-prone skin. You may want to find a serum to use all over your face that contains niacinamide, just to note. It also seems to reduce pore size, and researchers are still trying to figure out what exactly is going on with that, but it seems to strengthen the barrier around the pore and just to really maintain the integrity of the pore, and that helps to keep debris out. And because there's no debris in the pore isn't stretched out as much, so it's less noticeable. It helps not only for the skin to build cells and to improve the skin barrier, but it also helps to repair past damage, and that's by minimizing free radical damage, which causes not only skincare but fine lines and wrinkles. So it helps to really strengthen the skin barrier, but also to go to past damage, and it's going to help improve that damage as well. It really does help to soften the scar tissue. The next ingredient is called Leontopodium Alpinum Meristem cell culture. I hope I said that right. That is the edelweiss stem cell, which you can see is written on this package. This is a really powerful antioxidant and skin rejuvenator, and it inhibits hyaluronic acid degradation and skin firmness loss. So basically, as we get older, the amount of hyaluronic acid and collagen we have is reduced because our skin's just not making it as much. So this goes in and it kind of stops that reduction process, and it just keeps that hyaluronic acid pumping up through the skin. This is one of those key ingredients that's going to really help reduce those eye wrinkles. The last ingredient we have is the Hesperidin, sorry guys, methyl chalcone, and this increases capillary resistance and decreases capillary permeability. So it's going to make those capillaries really nice and strong, which is going to reduce the amount of blood flow. With less or slower blood flow going underneath those under eye areas, you're going to have a reduction in those dark circles. And if you tend to have that real bluish type of look underneath your eyes, it's going to help take care of that. So now that we've gotten through the ingredients, let's actually try out the product. And this is the first time I'm using it. So I'm going to just give it one pump, and it looks like a really thin lotion actually. I'm kind of surprised. For some reason I thought it was going to be more of a gel, but it's not. It's a lotion. I'm just going to put this on underneath my eye in a gentle patting motion. I have no makeup on my face right now aside from my eyebrows being filled in and a tiniest bit of mascara on my eyelashes, and I'm just going to pat this into my skin. So I'm just looking at my under eye area here, and so far it's looking pretty good. I need to put some eye cream on because keep in mind this is a serum, it's not an eye cream, so you must layer an eye cream on top. It's hard for me to say if this is going to work or not because I've only just applied it right now for the first time. And truly, in my opinion, you need to use a product for at least 30 days to really get a good idea of what it's doing for your skin. With that being said, I will film a follow-up video and to really show you any differences I've noticed in my skin, any improvements, or even if the product didn't work. I'm always honest. And I've also bought more Drunk Elephant products. They're on their way, so I'm going to really deep dive into the ingredients in this product line, which was requested by you, and we're gonna see what this is all about. With all of that being said, granted, I just went through all of these ingredients, and if this doesn't work, I don't know what will, because it really is just packed with the very best ingredients on the market. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you could give me any feedback, if you liked it, if you didn't like it, suggestions you may have for future videos, I read everything and I will of course utilize your suggestions. So thank you again, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Subscribe now to Lauren O'Connell Beauty TV, and let's navigate together through the world of beauty.